Submerging my bristle in the monomers and pick a smaller beads. Keep in mind you are going to cap it as well, so then you don't have to worry about if you are getting like really a big size beads, because you are going to cap it with crystal clear. And then blend it right here is important, because then that way when you're doing your ombre, it's not looks like really bulky and it's not going to blend for you. So now the option, there are so many different ways when you do ombre with encapsulate. So you can go ahead and apply the second color, which is the love, first love, or it's love potion. They are so cute. This one a little bit lighter than a love potion. So I'm gonna pick up the smaller beads. I'm gonna do 2 beads. When it gets getting this part is perfect for beginners. I like it all the time as well. So we're gonna place it right above of the Blue Lagoon. So then that way we are going to taking care of the ombre part first. I'd rather to take a couple more minutes, and then you're gonna save so much time from shaping and from the ombre, because it's gonna give you pretty much of the ombre looks consistency for you. Smaller beads until the nails down. Let the gravity do with this. Only you need to do is just guide your beads to go into center of the nail instead of let it running everywhere on the sidewall. And then we'll pick up the second beads and place it right just one line, just a hair away from a cuticles, and then tuck it in. And that way you can get it like really closer to the cuticle without like cover whole entire cuticle area. It's gonna be really hard when you are going to clean it and make it really nice and more flawless on the cuticle area. And then keep your bristle flat, like parallel with the nail. So then you're gonna use the pressures of the belly and blend it instead of just using the tips of the bristle. Okay. So now, as earlier, if you decide to do your encapsulate before you ombre, you can also do that as well. Or you can do it right now when you have a perfect ombre. But if you anytime you don't want any encapsulate, you can just go ahead and cap it with crystal clear as you are happy with this. So you don't have to put any encapsulate on the metals if the clients don't want it. Just however you like it and your clients like it. Do what you like. More like your clients like. Oh, this might be too big. This one's smaller. It's not flip for me. It's not going to turn it. Come on. Look, it's just like, I'm gonna lay in here. I'm not gonna turn for you. Is that turn?
Yep, it did.
No, it didn't.
Right.
Okay, finally. We make it. And then add some beads on. I love it because it's perfect. It's not too set. It's still wet setting right now. So it's perfect to add some beads on. If you don't want any beads, you hated it, don't put it on. So do what you like and your clients like. If your clients let you do whatever you want to do, then do what you love to do. Don't have to necessarily do exactly what I'm doing. I love the beads, so I add it on. That's it. Okay. So go ahead, and if you're happy with this, we are going to use crystal clear, submerging my bristle in the monomer using a brush number 12 and no cream tint at all, and pick up is the bigger beads and get it closer to the cuticles. Until the nails down, and let the gravity do all the work for you. All you need to do is get this number 12 brush belly, and is more pressures, and it's going to sculpt all this you know, beauty for you. So we're gonna cap it without like pat, because if you pat it on, it's gonna make it look bulky on both sides, and you wonder why you are doing it so perfect with application and it looks so bulky on the side and it doesn't look like it's nice and precise. So guide the powders right in the center. I might need a little bit more. And then finish on the tip right there. And we're gonna let it dry, set, air dry. Usually when you do it 10 nails, you finish, or 5 nails, it's gonna be dry for you. All right, let's see. Any other colors you wanna see? Any colors you all wanna see? I'm gonna start mixing like random things together. How many do I have now?